I'm going to show you how to pair and connect a pair of Beat Studio Buds directly to your Sony TV. This is the Sony TV with Google TV. So the first thing is we want to go to settings on our Sony TV. You can click on the settings button, the gear icon on your remote, or you can just go in the top right hand side, go towards your avatar all the way to the right, your avatar photo, go down one to settings, click on OK on the remote. From here, we're going to go down, down, down to remotes and accessories. Right there, click on, you can see, remotes and accessories right down there. Click on OK. Make sure it's Bluetooth turned on, and then we're just going to go down to pair accessory, and we're going to leave it there. As soon as we tap on pair accessory, it's going to be searching, okay? So let's go ahead and put our buds in the pairing mode first. So go ahead and open this up. And you open up, you should get a white blinking light that will indicate that it's in pairing mode. Okay, mine's a solid white light. It's not in pairing mode. Let me just press and hold this for 5 seconds. A little button up here. Press and hold for 5 seconds, and wait till it starts blinking white. There you go. If you can't get it to blink white or nothing, look in the description area. I'll show you how to reset these. Okay. Anyway, now it's in pairing mode. It's blinking. I'm on a pair accessory there. I'm going to click on OK. Now it's searching. Oh, found it right away. Beat Studio Buds right up there. It's already highlighted. You can see. I'm going to click on OK there. It says pairing up there. And I get a Bluetooth pairing request right there. I'm going to click on pair. And the white light is solid now, as you can see right there. And if I look over here, you can see I have my Beat Studio Buds right there. And I have other stuff paired, other headphones, Bluetooth devices. But anyway, it's right there. I can go ahead and pop these on right now and start watching Netflix or like YouTube or whatnot. All right. Good luck, guys.